Hello everybody, this is Vandana Vilas Vaidya. I am practicing as a divorce lawyer since past 29 years and more on the civil side. I have been writing articles in the media and giving advices in the local newspaper called Jayanagar Today under a column called Legal Eagle. So this was another idea I had of advising you or discussing some of the major judgments which have been passed recently in the field. I am discussing today a non reportable judgment by the Supreme Court of India passed by Mohan M. Shantanagowda judge in criminal appeal number 1565. So recently, the TOI made headlines under the heading called "Mere Refusal to Speak to a Bride is Not Cruelty by In-laws," says Supreme Court. Now, this is a very catchy headline, and anybody would think that a refusal to talk is definitely for the new bride is definitely cruelty. But now, what has happened in this case? Is that she has filed a complaint under 498A IPC. So 498 IPC does not include non-speaking of with the bride as a act of cruelty. It is basically related to driving her to suicide or leaving the house or anything else, but not speaking, because that does not amount to any physical cruelty to her. So she filed a case under four. She filed a complaint with the Cyberabad police station, saying that my husband, after she stayed with her for 20 days after marriage, the marriage was performed with much pomp and show, and her parents had spent around 15 lakhs on the marriage and 20 lakhs on gold ornaments. Besides this, the husband did not talk to her and kept giving her reasons of not feeling well and all that. And within 20 days, he left for Australia for his work. So she was left in lurch, and nobody in the house was talking to her. So she filed a case under 498A. The court further observed that there is nothing on record to show that there was a demand of dowry by the husband and his family or his relatives, either prior to the marriage or during the marriage or after the marriage. The record does not disclose anywhere that the husband of the complainant acted with view to coerce her or any person related to her to meet any unlawful demand or any property or valuable security. So, considering the elements of section 498A and other sections related to of the IPC, the complaint what she had filed was absolutely not covered under those particular sections, and hence the criminal appeal was dismissed. And the Times of India made headlines saying that refusal to speak does not amount to cruelty. So thanks for listening, and I will keep coming again for you with some nice judgments, explaining you the law behind it and the court's observations regarding it. Thank you and bye.